Hi everyone, I have this problem in my computer. It's an error. Here it is. It's this. Yeah, and I don't know what to do. I started rebooting and nothing else happens. Just like this, over and over again. This. And when I click start Windows normally, it only appears like black screen. After 1 hour, it only yes, black screen only. Um, if you have any solutions out there, could you please help me? After that, it only appears black screen, and I don't know what to do. Please comment if you have any solutions or problems like this. Um, I'm desperate about this. This is just a cheap computer. It's only a netbook, and well, I can't buy a new one because we have no money. It only appears like that. So guys, please comment if you have any solutions. Bye.